Hello everyone, welcome to Food Chemistry by Amruta. I hope you all are doing well and enjoying my videos. Please show your love towards my video and support them. Well, as we know that Valentine's Day is round the corner, I am planning for something delicious and yummylicious in Food Chemistry's kitchen. As you can see, I am focusing on the chocolates, so something related to chocolate, right? Well, I'm planning to prepare a pull me up cake which is trending on Instagram these days. So somehow I thought of executing the recipe but with my own modifications. So for pull me up cake, basically you require a cake and obviously the ganache. So for ganache, this is the dark chocolate. So I'm going to make dark chocolate ganache. Ganache is nothing but chocolate with the cream. So I have taken this Leon's House of Convenience food. So this is the dark chocolate. I have taken 250 grams and this is 250 grams of dark chocolate which I have chopped it like this, and I'm planning to use Amul fresh cream. So this is also 250 ml. Here are some same brand white and dark choco chips. So the Leon's brand has nice bakery and baking products you can also try out. First of all, starting with the ganache, we require to take the cream. I have taken the full cream into a bigger vessel and I have kept it on low flame on a gas stove. So once it starts bubbling a little, you have to take it out from the gas and keep it aside. Now that our fresh cream is taken from the gas stove, it's time to put the dark chocolates into this. Remember here that if you are using white chocolate, then the ratio of the milk will be less, but since this is a dark chocolate, so I have equated the ratio of milk, that is the cream, and the chocolate. Mix the chocolate with the cream properly. So here you can see that the chocolate is slowly mixing with the fresh cream. You can stir it gently and let it cool down. Simultaneously, I have prepared the chocolate cake and it is completely ready. So for checking, you can use a toothpick. This means that the cake is baked properly. Another important step for the pull me up cake is the OHP sheet. So I have bought this sheet from the stationery. So this sheet is mostly used for the baking products, mostly for the pull me up cake. So you will get it easily. So in this way I have arranged my cake and attached the OHP sheet. Here you can see this. I have nicely decorated the pull me up cake with choco chips, white and dark choco chips, and some of these colored sugar balls. There is some more ganache. So this is in a more liquid form. Here you can see it is little warm, so I will allow it to cool for some time and then I will put it on the pull me up cake. It's now time to take the OHP sheet and that's the final outcome of my pull me up cake. It's very yummy and chocolatey. It's loaded fully. Wishing you all a happy Valentine's Day. If you like my recipe, do try it and let me know in the comment section below. And please support and subscribe to Food Chemistry by Amruta. Thank you so much for watching my video.